In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendwave. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your device, then tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification, followed by your email address. Next, tap the flag icon beside the phone field to set your country code. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the correct code. Enter your phone number carefully. This is where your verification code will be sent. Tap the option that asks where you're sending first and choose the country you plan to send money to. Check the box to agree to the terms, then tap Sign Up. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter the code to continue. Now create a secure PIN, confirm it by re-entering the same digits, and then confirm to save it. Keep this PIN private. You'll use it to protect your account. You should see a message that your account has been created. From the dashboard, you're ready to start sending money. Tap Recipient to add a new one. When prompted to select a payment method for the recipient, choose Bank Transfer. Enter the recipient's full name, their mobile number, and retype the number to confirm it. Tap Save, then continue to send. Because this is a new account, you'll need to verify your identity. Enter your full name and date of birth, select the purpose of your account, and tap Finish. Tap Continue to move forward. Select your country and choose the type of document you'll use for verification. Tap Continue, then continue again to proceed. Tap Start and follow the on-screen guide to capture your document. Make sure it's well lit, in frame, and readable, then submit the photo. Next, tap Start Recording to complete the facial verification, and tap Start. Keep your face centered and follow any prompts. When you're done, tap Continue to send. Now add a payment method. Choose debit or credit card, then enter your card details. Add your billing address including zip code, city, and state, and tap Continue. Select the payment method you want to use for this transfer, tap Continue to send, review everything carefully, and tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. You've set up your Sendwave account, verified your identity, added a recipient, and completed a transfer. If a code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and look for a resend option. For identity checks, use a clear photo and consistent details that match your document. You're all set to send securely and confidently.